Hi, I'm Dr. Asha Bhatnagar, co-founder of Lifeline Laboratory. Along with Dr. Anjali Mishra, we have been running this lab for 30 years. I want to tell you that it's about your health, and that is why you need to choose your lab very wisely. Today I will introduce you to our laboratory, Lifeline Laboratory, and to the Lifeline Laboratory family, and take you through how your tests are done, how each one is taken care of personally. This is the reception of Lifeline Laboratory, and it is large, spacious and comfortable. We have the registration of the patient at the reception, wherein all the details are taken about the patient and the tests to be done. After registration, the barcode is generated, and the barcode is handed over to the patient to check the details on the barcode. Each and every sample is barcoded, and there is no manual transmission of sample or any of the data. Each patient is then called separately. The barcode is checked. And reconfirmed again with the patient. The barcode is checked once again by the patient. The phlebotomists draw the sample according to the best lab practices, and they use the advanced vacutainer system to draw the sample. These phlebotomists are extremely well trained to take the sample in proper containers. They follow the system of how the sample, which sample has to be taken first, which has to be taken last, and they're trained on a very daily basis, because this is a very important step, because this avoids any pre-analytical errors. So once the patient is comfortable, has given the sample, after that the sample is sent to the laboratory. We will show you how the samples are segregated and sent to various departments. The training at the reception is very continuous. Now the sample has come to the sample segregation department, where it is checked again to see that it is in a proper container, and then it's sent to various departments where the samples are run by the barcode. There is no manual intervention at any point of time. The same container is loaded onto the machines, and the sample is run. All the machines are automated. There is no manual intervention at any point of time. And then the most important thing is, which I will show you next, is the quality control. What is done every day is that for every test, an internal quality control sample is run. As you can see, that the graph is checked whether the quality control is within limits or not. This particular quality control is on the software, which is Unity. The same control is used by all good laboratories all over the world. Apart from running this internal quality control, the external quality controls are run on a regular basis in each department, after which the doctors analyze the slides or the reports. They coordinate all the findings, and we check if the report has to be rechecked or if there is some abnormality. Then we recheck it, we inform the patient, and we inform the doctor. At the end, there is a doctor at the end of your sample and your report. Thank you.